Hi everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I'm excited to be back in West End, the Townhomes at Nocatee. And guess what, guys? I'm with Austin of ICI Homes, and ICI really has just a few left townhome opportunities here in West End at the town center. Everybody's been excited about moving in. Austin, thank you for having us.
Of course, yeah, that's right. We're kind of on the tail end of West End here, standing in front of our Elkton model. We're about to do a little quick tour. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, just over 1,800 square feet, and is really set up like a loft in the city, which we feel the town center best represents. So let's take a look.
These townhomes have been wildly successful, not only because of the location being in the town center, but the floor plans that ICI Homes has designed. This particular one has been a fan favorite. Austin was telling me of multi-generational living.
Absolutely. So your first floor is really just going to feature a couple bedrooms, but we're going to save the best for last when we go upstairs. Definitely a pretty unique layout, but some really cool features throughout the home.
I love that we've got 2 bedrooms down here. Carling just showed that. We do have walk-in closets. Of course, we're not showing everything. You can definitely see the floor plans online at nocatee.com. Clicking on the neighborhood tab, scroll down to West End. You can filter by ICI Homes and see all of the floor plans they have available. I'm loving this first floor though, and what Carling just showed, the full bath. You've got, of course, a 2-car garage, and then Carling, you're showing it again. And Austin and I purposely are standing over here to show you this is a great space. So if you do have that multi-generational living, they are getting to, for example, Carling, let's head into that front bedroom, but you can put your mom or dad or both in the front bedroom. They can have a sitting area, and that's what you saw Austin and I standing in.
Correct.
Great sitting area. You can even put a fridge down here. I'm also thinking for those of you moving to Nocatee that have college-age kids, maybe they're going to University of North Florida, JU, Flagler, Florida Community College, but what's great is they will have their own private space here on the first floor, and then you will be on the second floor, and you'll see that as we're going up the stairs.
Absolutely, and that's something we've seen a bit of out here since I've been here for the last 4 months. Seems to be multi-generational. Like I said, emphasis on the upstairs with this one, but having a nice separate downstairs is a huge benefit.
And also with this particular townhome community, West End, we are catty corner to Baptist Health Place, which is a 100,000 square foot medical building. Think primary care to specialists, but also a 17,000 square foot YMCA. So if you do live here, you can join the Y and be steps away. But of course, you are literally across the street from the Splash and Spray water parks, which also has a fitness center there. So lots of fitness opportunities with this terrific location. Carling, this is beautiful. You're really capturing it on camera. Austin, tell us about this great space here.
Right, so this is really the showpiece of the home. The upstairs, you're gonna have your primary bedroom, a half bathroom, along with the full master bath. But again, really wanted to emphasize the city loft feel and kind of unique layout. You don't see this with a lot of townhomes in the area, but as Heather mentioned, you have your 2-car garage downstairs, and you're gonna be spending a lot of time up here. We want to make it look nice and welcoming, and I think we've done a good job with that.
Great entertaining space. And Carling, if you don't mind, let's head up to the front, because showing people how you can sit out here, I'll open it for you, forgive me. But I love this. And do all the townhomes, Austin, have the screen enclosure as we're seeing?
All but one. Our Bartram plan is the only layout that does not have a balcony, but this would be included with the screen on every other layout that we have out here.
So this is great, and it does have the hard roof. So on those great afternoons when we have the summer rains and some little bit of showers, you can still sit outside. Nice breeze coming in as we get to our cooler months here in Nocatee. But again, look at the size of this room and space. That open floor plan has always been popular. ICI Homes has always done a great job with all of their homes here in Nocatee with this type of design. But of course with their townhomes, wildly, wildly popular. And when it's gone, it's gone. And Austin has some incentives. He's not gonna tell you what they are.
Correct, yeah.
But lots of incentives.
Got some great stuff going on. Come out and see me, we can definitely discuss further. Like I said, great area. One thing we haven't touched on is the included maintenance in West End, at least for our townhomes. Everything on the outside is covered under the maintenance plan with the HOA. So just ease of ownership is really our goal out here.
So maintenance is included. So you just heard that from Austin. That is terrific. But of course, you're welcome to still pick your weeds.
if you want to. They're out there twice a week, but I'm sure there's a few that want to go above and beyond.
I love that. Okay, guys. So maintenance-free living here at West End, the Townhomes by ICI Homes. Loving this room, and it's very quiet up here. We're in the back of the home, and what's great is I've said, put your, whether it's adult, kid, put your parents in that front bedroom. You are literally not even above them, which is terrific. And we're actually above more the garage, which is terrific. Thank you.
Right.
And then Carling, as you come out, and there's our Carling. Hi, Carling. Love seeing Carling on camera. Beautiful barn door, but let's head into the closet just to show this great space, and then you can show that beautiful barn door.
Correct. Yeah, tons of storage throughout. Big closets in every bedroom, and select finishes throughout as well.
Lots and lots of storage, and then Carling will get, again, ICI Homes. We are in their model. Tons of upgrades that you can do, but this barn door I think is a must. Everyone, you've got to do the barn door, and then you'll come out, and then we'll go back into. Again, this beautiful, beautiful open area. So again, a powder bath, so nobody is using your bathroom. Washer and dryer up on the second floor. Great space. And I want to remind people, ICI Homes has a lot of townhome quick move-ins. So remind you, if you're stopping by the Nocatee Welcome Center, pick up the ICI Quick Move-In page or go to Nocatee.com and type in Quick Move-In, because again, when it's gone, it's gone. This is it, guys. Nocatee really is over 92% sold out. So we're almost done, everyone. So
That's
ICI
right.
Homes, a partner of Nocatee. Glad they're part of our family. Call Austin today because it's going to sell out soon. Thanks, you guys.
Looking forward to it. Thanks, y'all.